A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Pump prices are to jump for a sixth straight week, taking the price of gasoline to the highest it has been in nearly 3 years. Petrojam today announced it will hike the price of a litre of gasoline by 86 cents to take it to the highest it has been since October 2014. The price of regular diesel goes up by $1.01, while low sulfur diesel increases by $1. Kerosene oil is going up $1.12. Propane rises 88 cents, while butane is up 2 cents. And the price of oil finished higher today. Oil for delivery in September rose 39 cents to settle at $49.56 a barrel. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.35. The Canadian dollar is selling for $101. The pound sterling costs $167.13, while the euro is selling for $151.74. The government stepped up efforts to improve business competitiveness with the launch of a website comprising all government services. The details in this report.
Over 200 government websites now under one portal. It's to make it easier for persons to do things like applying for birth certificates and paying property taxes. Access to the site is free.
Basically what we have done is remove the barrier to access. Now we have made an even bigger step, a bolder move, by ensuring that this one-stop portal can be easily accessed without you have to even worry about a data plan.
He assures the steps have been taken to reduce the risk of cyber attacks. It's an issue which has plagued government websites in recent years.
The Cyber Incident Response Team, along with representatives from all different MDAs, we have developed a team that more or less seek to ensure that we put in place the necessary fixes to ensure that we are up to date as it relates to protection.
The website gov.jm, it is hoped, will improve Jamaica's ranking in e-government. The country slipped 23 places to 112 out of 193 countries in a recent ranking. For his part, Prime Minister Andrew Holness expects the website to help improve efficiency in government and reduce bureaucracy. He encouraged Jamaicans to embrace the digital culture and gave an example of what obtains now.
There are many websites there, but the tax office is still packed with people wedded to paying their taxes physically. If they don't go to the counter and hand over the cash and get a receipt that is stamped, they have not transacted.
For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
The main JSE market index dipped more than 2,085 points to break an 11-day winning streak to ease off an all-time high. The junior market index also dipped, going down by more than 6. The winners of the day included 138 Student Living, Barita Investments, Jamaica Producers Group, Mayberry Investments, Paul's Investments, and Seprod. On the losing end were 1834 Investments, Carreras, Honeybun, the JMMB Group, Main Event Entertainment, Panjam, and Supreme Ventures. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.